What is going on, family? Cribs here. Welcome back. I'm kind of doing something different here on my camera. Not my camera, but my phone. It is called Live Focus, and I think it's a lot better video quality. I'm having a hard time wearing my lids and stuff because it won't recognize my face, and it blotches in and out on you, and I don't want that. I want to bring you the best quality I can, video and audio, until I get a camera and a computer set up, but that's a lot of dang money. So I'm working on that right now as we speak, but I'm just going to focus necessarily because we're all here for the beard products. It's good to have video and good to have good audio, but what's really good is having some good quality products that I can share with you. Some that I buy and some that are sent to me. Welcome back, family. It's good to see you. To anybody that is new here, my name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded community. I have an Instagram page that you can go follow me if you'd like. I'd love to have you. That is _BeardSWAG_. Welcome. This is a channel of beard product reviews, mega unboxings, showing off these companies' swag, giving you my opinions on these wonderful products that I get to share and get to be blessed with to have. If you're into that, go ahead and write down below here. There is a subscribe button. There is a reminder bell. There's a share button you can push. And if you haven't already, sometime during the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you would. I would appreciate it. It means a lot. And then always leave a comment. Comment below about how I did on the video, what you think of the quality, ideas that you may have, banter back and forth with me if you've tried these companies. I'd love to get back to each and every single one of you. I haven't missed one yet. This is a community, so comment below and say what's up to somebody else. Today, I have a company that I did an unboxing for, I think last Wednesday, which I'll link up here, the unboxing that I did. And it is on, his name is Justin, the owner, out of Des Moines, Iowa, and it is Iowa Beard Company. Amazing company. These labels is what really turned me on to this company. He reached out to me and asked me what it would take to do a review, and I just said, get me some of that stank. Get me some of these products. I was really honored. If I can just get this to focus. I'm having a hard time here, guys, so bear with me. New format, new process. I don't know what its deal is. Focus. Maybe it's the light. Maybe it just don't want to. But anyways, that's the back of it. So he sent me one oil, one balm, one butter, and a bar of soap that I have been using that I have fallen in love with in a scent profile that is right up my alley that just is manly. Let me show you. I don't have the bar here actually because it's in the shower, but it's tobacco bitters. This stuff is amazing. I haven't really tried it on my beard or my hair, but it's for that. I use it on my body and my face. It is not oily. It doesn't leave you feeling greasy. It's a conditioning soap that lathers up great and just leaves you feeling squeaky clean, and the scent profile just stays with you. I love that. And it's all essential oils. The oil he sent me is in the tobacco bitters as well. He sent me an oil in the tobacco bitter, and he sent me the balm, which I'll show you. Look at that freaking label, y'all. Black tin, label on the back too. 2-ounce balm and a 4-ounce butter in the scent profile of Deadwood. And we're going to go over the scent profiles here, but I want to show you the oil. If I can get this lined out for you. Very nice and clean oil. Oh, it's so good. And for an essential oil, it is so good. Fresh. It's not loud, but it's not subtle. But it's definitely that essential oil scent profile to it, that tang that it has. But it lasted me 6 hours, easily. Feeling beard, amazing. One of the best feeling beard products that I've had. If you get away from the scent profile of everything and you just have the feel and beard conditioned, didn't leave my hands feeling oily or greasy, my beard either. Some of them will just leave it, you know, that sheen on there, and everything you touch, your phones, your steering wheel, anything you touch just gets that oil base on it. I didn't have that problem with these oils. Let me go here and I'm going to tell you what is in the oil. Our oil will do amazing things to your beard. All products are all natural and handmade. Jojoba, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E to soften and tame your beard, and it's an essential oil. Let's go to the tobacco bitters. Vanilla and tobacco aroma with tobacco, cinnamon, vanilla, essential oils. The Dead Man, or Deadwood, excuse me, in the balm, and you can see I have used it and I love it. Talk about I would say a medium hold. It's just right there on that medium. I really love it. This has been one of my favorite balms. The way that it's made, it's just an amazing hold to my beard. And it doesn't, let me smell it. You can smell a little bit of the carriers in it, but the essential oil and how he mixes it up is amazing. And I could tell actually, and I'm really bad usually about telling you or guessing what the scent profile is, but I could tell this was a woodsy cologne smell, and I hit it right. This is, the Deadwood is leather cedar cologne, and it's so crazy how he got that cologne in there. Benefits of our beard oil: it moisturizes, conditions, softens, strengthens, and adds a slight shine to your beard, which it did. It was amazing. My wife, Nikki, actually commented on about how shiny and good looking my beard was. Oil is also great for the skin underneath your beard. Our carefully selected carrier oils will not leave your beard feeling greasy like some of the other beard oils. Completely true. So let's see. The oil is $15, guys. And I have a discount code for you, which is SWAG15. You can get 15% off. He has a beard oil and beard balm pack, bundle pack, which is $25. His triples, his oil, balm, and butter, I don't know if it's just in Scott's from Beards and Banjos collaboration, but it's $25 for the oil and balm, and for the triple, oil, balm, and butter, you're $40. He has beard oil sample packs, $18 that come in a tin. Website is amazing. Talk about a classy, professional website that has everything listed down here for you. Very easily navigated. Oh, it's amazing. Let me tell you some of the scent profiles that Justin has. He's got the Kingslayer, fresh and sweet earthy tones of eucalyptus, cypress, vanilla, clove bud, and other essential oils. He has the Black Hills, smoky wooden aroma with cedarwood, patchouli, rosemary, and other essential oils. His Elixir, bright, warm cinnamon aroma with cinnamon bark, clove bud, wintergreen, eucalyptus, basil, rosemary, and other essential oils. Snake Oil, citrus, outdoors aroma with lemongrass, tea tree, frankincense, and other essential oils. His Pure Gold is an unscented. I've already told you about tobacco bitters, which I love. His American Gentleman, fresh, clean-cut aroma with bay leaf, sandalwood, vanilla, and other essential oils. Dead Man's Chest is bay rum aroma with bay oil, bergamot, and other essential oils. He has a bourbon-like scent with hints of sweetness. And I've already told you about the Deadwood. So let's go back, and I'm going to give you a little breakdown of the beard balms, which I've already told you what I thought about it after I've used it. Amazing hold. And I could probably read these on the back. And what I really get out of it is kind of a cocoa smell, which is weird. I guess it's not weird, but will do amazing things to your beard. Natural beeswax is the first ingredient in it. Shea butter base with jojoba, grapeseed, argan oil, vitamin E to soften and tame your beard. What I have on here is beeswax, coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed, argan oil, vitamin E, listed exactly. Has the directions on it. I would like to see the scent profile. If I can just get it back here, maybe you can see it. I don't know why it's blurring out. Everything will be linked below on the company and my my discount code for you. But the butter, let me tell you, hydrating, truth. I mean, there ain't no bull about this company. 4 ounces. You guys that like a cologne smell but don't like a really loud scent profile of a cologne with cedar wood in it, good Lord, man. It is good too. I wish I would have had all of the same, but what I did is I had to rock the oil, balm, and the butter of 2 different scent profiles in it, but it worked really good. Leather, cedar, and cologne. You can see that butter. I've just tore into that stuff. Watch this. That's amazing. I know you can hear that. Oh, talk about a hydrating. I love this butter. Oh, let me get some out so you can see. I'll just get that glob out. And let me change this up a little bit. Put it on here. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and slap that in so you guys can see. That was way too much, y'all. But that's okay. Might as well just chill for a little bit. You guys ain't no hurry, are you? You can just see how this stuff just soaks right into my beard. You got a little bit on there, but that was way too much. Great conditioner, too. Sorry. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. My beard loves this stuff. Glides right through. Look at that. So soft, guys. Man. So, let me tell you about the butter and what is in the butter, since this is an easily navigated $20 for the butter. What it is mango and shea butter, base with aloe vera, jojoba, grapeseed, argan, and vitamin E to soften and tame your beard. That's awesome. Let me tell you what the bomb was. This freaking website is amazing. $15. So you got 15 for the oil, 15 for the balm, and what I say, 20 for the butter. What a great deal. And you use the SWAG 15 to save you a little bit more cash on there. What I recommend this company 100%. I am going to probably order myself some more of these bars of soap, and I'm going to wait for the fragrance oil to come out. I am excited to do that. So Justin, if you're interested in me telling you what that is, I'll be in touch with you. Excuse me. Water. So that's my review of Iowa Beard Company. Love it. I'll just show you one more time. 4 ounce. Don't have the labels around the side. I would love to see that, but ingredients on the bottom. I would love to have the scent profiles on them. But besides that, guys, if you just get down to the brass tacks of products, I love the labels. Doesn't bother me at all. Great company, great scent profiles that I have tried out of the 2, and their bars of soap are amazing. They have got beard oils, all-purpose balms, soaps. Let me tell you, they got combs. They've got apparel. I think he just came out with some new shirts. He's got shaving. The handmade soaps are $8. He's got shaving kit, which he doesn't recommend you shave, but if you do, he's got you covered. Yeah, apparel. Let me go see in here and see if he's got any lids. He's got some shirts that he just came out with they're pretty cool. I love his logo too. Where are you? There you are. Rocked on the water bottle. I mean, it's just a great all-around company, guys. So that's what I've got for you. I hope I didn't leave anything out. I'll have everything linked down below. Enjoy yourself. Highly recommend this company. scent profiles. They are essential oils, but I love them. I absolutely love them. They're not that loud stank that you're looking for as the fragrance oils are, but they're enjoyable. They're sweet. They're smooth. They're warm. They're intoxicating. It's just a pleasure to wear them, and they take really good care. Feel in beard off the charts, guys. I'm just telling you. So go out and reach out to Justin over at Iowa Beard Company. Tell him Swag sent you. Use the Swag 15 as your discount code, and go on this journey, y'all. Let me know if you've tried it below in the comments, okay? So as always, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Makes a huge difference in somebody's life. If you can just touch one person's life and make them feel good for a day, why not do it? Forgive somebody of their sins and their trespasses against you, and then go forgive somebody as well. Go have a conversation. Go love on each other. God bless. Clickers in the house. Let's go.